Hey, what is it? What's up, Storm Silver Madness? Today we're doing a cold start on my Cub Cadet SC-700H. It's a four-wheel drive model with the Honda GCV 190 engine. It's four-wheel drive. You can see I got the bag on. It even got a side chute right here and the mulch plug. So I'm just going to set these right here. So I haven't started it for a while, so wish me luck. I also like using these clamps here to hold the handle down. So I'll run it for a few minutes, or 1 minute, and then I hope it doesn't smoke like sometimes it does. Anyways, let's see if it goes. So let's see if it starts on the first pull. I hope it will. Fingers crossed. So it's on a choke. So here you go. Why is it doing that? Little oily. Wait a second. Oh, guess I gotta adjust the. Here we go. Alright. That was a bit of smoke. Okay, it should run louder now. That's a lot of, I think there's a lot of oil in the cylinder. Maybe let's switch to outside. Actually, here, let me open it more. Okay, now we're gonna switch outside. Now, as you can see, there's snow right now, but today's November 13th. So let's give it should start on one pull now. Boy, that was a huge backfire. I have no idea why I did that, but it usually does that. Let's see if it starts up again. Okay, it's ran out of gas in the carburetor. So now this is the last day we're gonna listen to this engine for 2023. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this short video. And just before I go, I'm gonna show you what it looks like with the mulching plug and the side chute. So let's get back in the garage. Here's what it looks like with the mulching plug. It looks very nice. It looks a bit different without the bag. Here's the, I'm 5 foot or something, and I get, it's about my height. This is the full height. So if I brought the bars down, this would be right here, and it wouldn't be comfortable for me. And so this seems like a good height. So if you're wondering which side is the rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, or front-wheel drive, or rear-wheel drive, if you are looking for it, so here, I'm gonna show you. So here's how to operate the lawnmower. If you're looking for the rear-wheel drive, it's this side, and the cable's right here. The front-wheel drive is this side, and the cable's right here. And if you want all-wheel drive, to hold one handle, you just gotta hold this. Hang on. And you could use all-wheel drive for this. And you could find it over here. Like, it's actually like the same feel on each handle. Now I'm gonna show you the next one, what it looks like with the side discharge chute. Because it has the new bagging capacity with a new rear bagging system. Much bigger grass bag. Here's what it looks like with the side discharge. Almost like the same, except it has the thing on the side. And it has 6 different cutting heights. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. Anyways, I'm gonna put the lawnmower away. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you like more lawnmower videos. Because I did get a lot of views for the Troy build and the Yardworks lawnmower. I do have another Cub Cadet lawnmower. It's a riding mower. But maybe we'll see that next video in the next season. So see you later, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.